Hey everybody, Sharon here with L&A Little Flowers. Sorry, I posted a video in actually a long time. Had some family things that we had to work through. Hopefully we're out of the woods. But raising kids is always hard. But here I have an album that I've done, and this is her name is Gorgeous, and it really is a cute character. The stuff that's on the front is I have here some flowers right here that I got from Wild Orchid Crafts, and these I got from Hobby Lobby. Wild Orchid Crafts, Hobby Lobby, and I think this was at the Dollar Tree, if I remember right. Then I came around here and stickled these. This right here is the spine. I can't remember where I got this flower, then I just took some seam binding. This makes a pretty thing. And here's the back. Isn't that just cute? Okay, I'm doing this one-handed, so. Okay, and then here's some pretty lace for a tied closure. Okay. Here I have a tag, which I stickled the outside with black diamond. And then here, so here I had to include this little thing right here. This trim I actually got from Amazon, and this is bling on a roll, and there's some Velcro closures, and here is a thing here and a tag, lace pocket, and just folds up nice like that. And then the second page, more of that trim. It opens up, so you can put a photo here, photo here. Nope, that's just glued down. And here I have a small little pocket. And this and this, and more of that black diamond. And here we have some room for some pictures, and you know, you could use this whole space as photos. So there's that, and here is a really big tag, so room to do what you want for this, and it just tucks back in there and it turns. Here I have a plain tag, slips, tucks back in there, and another one. This opens up. Here's a photo mat and something to put you could put something here if you want. Okay. And then here on the top we have a small tag. Oh, that one's coming out. And very cute. And this right here, and here we have a vellum pocket and a tag. So, and that closes. There's this Velcro. It opens up for photos. here's another tag. And this is a Prima flower, and I can't remember where I got it, but here's some lace that I had on my stash and bling on a roll. So, oh, and here's another tag, large tag. And they slip in really easy. And then on this one, a tag. And then I took this and kind of made like a little butterfly. Another Velcro, and this here is a tag. So, and right there is a butterfly, and it will just close. And here, this opens up like that, and then this opens up like that. So in here you have lots of space for pictures. And another tag. I can't remember where I got this, but I don't think they even make Prima centers anymore, which I'm kind of upset over. I really like those. And the last page, I have here a little tag, and it's the slider card. So that very interactive, very cute. And then here, last one, waterfall. Okay, and more this, another Prima center, another Prima flower in the back. So I hope you enjoyed this album and the stuff that goes into it. It is for sale on my Etsy shop. And thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Later.